Let us now solve the propagation of error for the third operation, multiplication. That means x is a into b. Okay. Now as is the procedure which we have applied for addition and subtraction, we have to replace all the quantities by their error formations. So x को लिखना है x plus minus delta x, a आएगा a plus minus delta a, b will be b plus minus delta b. Okay, now this term and this term are in multiplication. Let us start solving. We will multiply these two boxes to each other, a into b, then a into delta b, then b into delta a, then delta a into delta b. Everywhere plus minus is appearing. After that, our target is to cancel the similar terms. You can see x and ab are same, so this term will get cancelled. After that, now here mixture is there. That means delta b means error, a means actual value. So this way this mixture is there. How to liberate the terms or separate the terms? For that, what we will do? We will divide both the sides by x. So here delta x equal to plus minus a delta b, b delta a, like this. Here we will divide it by x and here also we will divide it by x. But this side all terms are in ab, so x की जगह हम ab रखेंगे यहाँ. Okay, this we can do because both are equal. Now here delta x by x we are getting. On this side, by separation of variable, a will get cancelled. So first term will be delta b upon b. On the second term, b will get cancelled. So delta a upon a. On the third term, delta a by a, delta b by b. इस तरह से अरेंज करना है. Everywhere plus minus is going on. Now here one last approximation we will apply. Since delta a, delta b all are errors. So suppose errors are in 0.1. So suppose this term is 0.1, this term is 0.1. So here multiplication of two 0.1s are appearing. So it will become 0.01. So that's why this term will become very small. So we will neglect it. So we will be writing delta a by a and delta b by b term is ignored, being small. And lastly, we will write the answer as delta x by x equal to delta a by a, delta b by b. Here also, as I have told you, for maximum possible error, we have to always take plus sign. So here also plus, here also plus. So this is the answer which is obtained for multiplication. That means what is the conclusion for multiplication? In multiplication, we cannot add absolute errors. We have to add relative error. You know this delta x by x is what? This delta x by x is the relative error. So this is relative error in x, this is relative error in a, this is relative error in b. So here relative errors are added. This is the conclusion. Okay. Let us have a practice in this question. Number 2. In this x is given ab, that means a into b, A and B are expressed like this, and we are asked to find out the absolute error and relative error in X. Now students, always in this type of questions, you see that which operation is appearing. See, the operation is multiplication, and in multiplication, what is the error formula? So, error formula is relative error formula. That means relative error will be solved first. Okay? There will be always 2-3 errors to which we have to solve, but depending upon the operation and operation's answer, that error we will be solving first. Like in addition and subtraction, we always solve absolute errors first. But in multiplication, we are solving relative error first. Let us apply the values. Delta x by x means relative error of x. Formula is this. In this formula, from here we have to put the values. Where is delta a? Delta a is this term, and this term is delta b. Let us put delta a की जगह लगाना है 0.5, अपॉन में लगेगा a means 10, डेल्टा b के प्लेस पे लगेगा 0.3 और b कितना है 3. I think you have understood. After that, you try to solve these expressions individually. It will be easy for you. Okay. So 0.5 upon 10, that means 0.05. एक पॉइंट बढ़ जाएगा. 0.3 upon 3 कितना हुआ 0.1, क्योंकि 3 कट हो गया. दोनों को ऐड किया, आंसर क्या आया 0.15. ये आंसर किसका आया है? रिलेटिव एरर का. और क्या सॉल्व करना है रिलेटिव के साथ में? एब्सोल्यूट एरर. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट एब्सोल्यूट एरर. एब्सोल्यूट एरर का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? डेल्टा एक्स सॉल्व करना है. सो यू सी, डेल्टा एक्स बाय एक्स का आंसर था 0.15. तो सिर्फ डेल्टा एक्स कितना हुआ? दैट विल बी बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ओके, व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर 0.15. सी, आई विल राइट इट अगेन दिस वे. ये आंसर डेल्टा एक्स बाय एक्स है 0.15. इसमें से हमें सिर्फ एब्सोल्यूट एरर चाहिए, यानी सिर्फ डेल्टा एक्स चाहिए. तो ये एक्स इधर चला जाएगा. ओके, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. अब ये एक्स कहाँ से लाएं? सो टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द फॉर्मूला. एक्स फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट? a into b. ओरिजिनल a b. ओरिजिनल a is 10, b is 3. सो a b कितना हुआ? a into b, 10 3s are 30. So how much is the answer? 15 3s are 45. We have put, okay, 30 is there, so 450, and then point will be applied here. So answer is 4.5. This is the second answer. This way we solve the multiplication theory and multiplication type of numericals.